All right, let's take a look at this brand new product launching today called Cozy Co-Author, and it is from the Copy Viking or Soren Jordanson right here. Now, if any of you picked up audio dollars from about maybe 4 to 6 weeks ago, that sold over 1,000 copies. That's how you could make money with audio and creating audiobooks and so forth. Products are top notch. This one is how you can start making money with fictional, a very specific micro niche, fictional fantasy type of books using the power of AI. So I'm going to be showing you that as well. And so you can start making money with Amazon KDP specifically. I love how Soren's products, they are very, very specific. There's nothing vague about them. They solve an actual problem, and they go after not only just like, this isn't just like an Amazon KDP writing creation tool or something like that. This is something that you can go in a specific niche market with, and not just fantasy fiction, but even taking that one step further. And he leads off by case studies. He actually made $230 from just 3 books, and they were all part of a series. Now, I bring this up, I always like to show you, I like to promote people on Warrior Plus that are actually really good product vendors. And yes, they are few and far between. And that's why it's been 30 days since I've created and posted a video here. Now, I've had a couple that have been on my other channel, my LearnWire channel, but this one is kind of carved out, and I wanted to put it on this channel right here. This one, he's got over 2,000 sales on this account and averaging over 4 stars. So definitely, and you can see that audio dollar, people loved it, almost 5-star ranking and over 1,000 sales right here. So you can definitely rest assured that you're going to get high quality with this product right here. And I'm going to go in real quick and just go over what you get. So that it's $17 for Cozy Co-Author. And one other thing that I'll add with Soren's products is that even just getting the front end, I get this question a lot, like, can you buy just the front end and do you need all the other stuff, like all these order bumps and one-time offers and stuff like that? Like, you don't need all that stuff. Like, there is a complete winning model with just the front end offer. Now, I'd love for you to go and pick up some of the time offers if they make sense for you, but certainly that's a main question that I get. You literally get the Cozy Fantasy Frameworks and 23 modules of training. Like, this is well worth way more than $17. I mean, this is a $200 course wrapped up in a $17 product. So the front end is absolutely great for you to get started, and you can actually make money with the way that he shows you that he's made money. It's based on the front end product. Okay. So front end is only $17. That's just nuts. There is a bump offer for $27. There's a one-time offer, Cozy Genre Vault. So I'm just saying this is going to give you 6 additional Cozy genre frameworks, the training to deploy them. And so you get all this paranormal, romance, cozy sci-fi, and cozy romantasy. So they've done a lot of research on books that actually sell on Amazon KDP. These are very micro niched specific. And let's just say the cool thing about this too is with fiction, selling fiction books, if you can, the part that this is solving is that it's still very hard to create fiction books with AI that actually develop the characters and the antagonist, the protagonist, and stick with a theme and then build on that into the book number 2, book number 3, and really write as if like a human, really good human fictional writer wrote the books. That's the biggest challenge with using AI and using AI softwares and stuff like that. Now, I would say, I would argue that they work pretty well for nonfiction. But if you want to make real money on Amazon KDP, especially with uploading them to the KDP or what is that, direct program, where people pay like $10 bucks a month or $15 a month, and you get a part of that pool, or when people check out your book and read it, because they're part of that monthly subscription, you get paid for every page that they read. That's where that's how you stack this and start making real money with the KDP pages read on that program. Okay. And that is, from what I understand, there's more people that are likely to check out books from a entertainment value, fiction-based book reading versus checking out nonfiction books on Amazon KDP, if that makes sense. So that's where it's at. So OTO 1 is 67, the Genre Vault, that would probably be the one that I would pick up because it's going to take this to a whole nother level. And then Cozy Promo Stacker, so a guide and case studies on how to promote your books using book newsletter sites, list building, and much more. And then there's OTO 3, 4, and 5. You have the Cozy Editor framework and training that takes away the manual editing job and gives that to Claude. Cozy Publisher's Guide. So this is an annual or a monthly, and it's a KDP focused community and weekly group. That's really cool. Seems like Soren's kind of going all in on this particular niche. So this is something that you would probably want to get into. And then the $100 million Copy AI. This is his custom copywriting. This would be if you have any kind of marketing needs in an email list. You could even use this to help write emails and stuff like that for your book niche. But those are the offers right here. But like I said, I'm going to end with saying that front end offer $17 will get you going and actually can get you in the green and profitable. Okay. And finally, I'm just going to lead off with this. In the video that you'll watch over here on the sales page, there'll be a link below. Go and pick this up. I just absolutely recommend this. That is why, like, if you look at my last video, it's been 31 or 32 days since I did a review on this channel. And the last one was Soren's products because his products are so good. Right off the bat, I can just tell you that this is a steal for $17. Now, watch this video right here, and he actually shows you that he created, he just shows you proof. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. The 3 books that he created, Whiskers and Wildwood, right here, the book covers and everything with AI. He wrote the entire thing using Claude. He kind of goes over the whole thing, and it actually was more than this. He made this video over here. He actually made this before updating it today. This video that you'll see, if you click the link below, this was recorded on May 1st, and you can see that I'm making my video review on May 1st. So he just made this and published it like an hour or two ago. And this number here at 176 for since the publishing, or in the last 30 days, it's actually $230 or something like that. So he is literally making money from the 3 books. And then also Amazon KDP will actually tell you if you have a book series. So he has 3 books right here, and you can see they're all making money. It will actually tell you based on color coding which ones are making money and stuff as well. So you can see right here actually making money from just the 3 books in the case study right there. So super cool. So this is the training. When you get inside the training, he has moved all of his products. So you'll see I'm on dashboard, and you'll see members.thevikingking.com members dashboard. Now, any of you that purchased Audio Dollars or Sudoku Maker, these are his brand new products. Soren used to be a Warrior Plus seller 10 years ago. He took a full long break and went into a whole nother market and everything. But he just came back a couple months ago. This is his 3rd product launch. They've both done really, really well. And he has moved these over to this brand new members only dashboard. And you'll be able to see, like when I come down here, I have the Audio Dollars system over here because I have access to that. So all the stuff, and then I have the Sudoku Maker right over here, right? So all the apps that you are purchasing or products that you're purchasing from Soren and his team will all be housed under one roof, which is super cool. And that's where these products are going in 2026. The smart vendors and developers are putting all their stuff under kind of an ecosystem, if you will, so that you don't have to go and log into a million different tools every time and then you lose access. All you need to do is know that his products are good, log into his products, and any of the products that you have purchased, they'll all show up under here, under one roof. So it just makes it more efficient and everything. So I will add that as a huge plus and a huge bonus. Okay. So we're going to come through here real quick, and we're going to talk about Cozy Author right over here. So we've unlocked that. Now you can see here's the framework. This is the magic formula right here. You're going to download this Cozy Fantasy framework right here. There's a printable guide as well. And then look, I have all the upgrades right over here, and you'll want to stick with me. I'll make some more videos, maybe showing you some of these other upgrades, but I want to keep this video. I don't want it to get too long, but I have all the upgrades. All you have to do is just type in, Cozy Co-Author. If you type in Cozy Co-Author below, then I know that you want more videos. I'll make some more videos come like Monday, maybe tomorrow over the weekend if I can get to the office and make a video or so to show you some more of the products and the one-time offer upsells. Okay. So what we have right here is you're going to go through, obviously download that, and then you're going to open the training and look at how nice and tightly focused this website is. You can come over here and you can see all the training. There's 23 training modules. Now, some of them have tutorial videos. Some of them are just a nice read, but you'll see how the learning environment right here is the absolute best that you can get. They've kind of gamified it. You can favorite anything you want. They have a dark mode right here as well. So if you're going to be reading all this at night, it'll be easy on your eyes. We can come over here, and if there's a couple of these modules that really stand out to you or that you need to come back to a lot, you can go and you can bookmark them, right? And so it'll bookmark that actually goes to the bookmark. So I'm going to go back over here. You would actually push the bookmark button here. And then anytime you want to go into your bookmarks, you would just come over here and it'll bookmark those for you. So really, really cool stuff right over there. So you're going to go through, and this is what the training looks like right here. Look at all this. And if you've read the entire guide, you're going to check mark that. You're going to get 10 points there. Introduce yourself in the discussion. They've even got a discussion board in here. In some respects, this looks like it was vibe coded, but I mean, I wouldn't want to vibe code something this kind of intricate with a lot of different things going on without having a developer at least solidify the app to make sure that it's not going to break. Because if you code this just in base 44 and then you just let it go, like I think it will break at some point. And so you have real people right over here. This person over here, they're an affiliate. So you can see like people are actually in here writing and so forth and really cool stuff. So you can ask questions in here. You can mark when you've done things. You can bookmark it as well. Now you're going to come over here. It's going to go over, it's going to use Claude, and that's the platform that you're going to use. And he really breaks down everything. He breaks down the market, right? Of why we're going to go into this cozy fantasy market, what it actually is and so forth. He explains, and there's always these FAQs and tips over here, any tools that you need over here. And then you can come over here and he explains this right here very well. You can see that on the free tier, this front end offer for $17 is actually designed for the person that wants to use Claude for free. And you can see right here, it was literally built on the free platform. You can get a setup, the same planning documents, the same chapters, the same everything, right? The same quality. You will hit limits sometimes and wait, off peak free. But if you're just on free and you have no money to put in for like $20 a month pro, then you may have to write a few chapters at a time and come back and then write another couple of chapters, whatever. Like you're still going to be able to get books out the door. Okay. Now here's the thing too. You're not going to be publishing multiple books per day anyways on Amazon KDP. They don't allow you to. So you may as well take your time to create really good books. And that is the difference between trying to make money on Amazon KDP today in 2026 versus the way it was 10 years ago. They just don't allow spam, and they don't allow people to publish multiple books per day. He talks about pro, like you will almost never run out of credits. And then for pro users, if you really, really want to write your entire book in one day, things like that, then maybe the max subscription, you're not going to really run into any limits or anything like that. But he goes over all this right here. I mean, just everything you need to know about this business model is right here. And I'm mind blown because he's leading off with a case study. He's got all that right over there. He goes over Author Central if you want to do that as well. Author name, another big one over here is the covers. He's going to explain to you exactly how to create a really good cover for your book. And then, kind of go over how he created his cover. I love that there's a case study involved with this and so forth. And you can go right over here. There is a cover specs right there as well. And then a check mark list right there as well. So, I mean, they've really got you covered from a learning standpoint. Like they're leaving no stone unturned. And if this is the front end offer, it's unbelievable. What else are they going to be adding, right? What else are they adding to all those upsells? Because this front end offer is just really, really good. You guys know me. I don't usually log in and just kind of praise a product to this extent, right? He leads off with case studies. He's making hundreds of dollars a month already from just 3 books in this market. He explains in detail every single step of the way, gives you what tool to use, gives you the prompts and the strategy and everything, and has tutorial videos. Let's go over to the part where it's planning your story. Let me just show you what one of these looks like that has a tutorial video in it, the getting set up phase. And so there's a little tutorial screenshot there, and then you come down over here, right here. There's a 7-minute video on exactly how to get set up and everything like that. So when it's appropriate, there's also a tutorial video, but it's mostly mostly text and reading, but it's broken up into, chunks on exactly which way. This is an entire money-making business model, and you can go at your own pace right over here. So can't say enough good things about the actual tool. Again, these are the one-time offers, but even if you can just get the front end offer, absolutely highly recommend this. And you can see he leads off with just these 3 books, literally making money in the fictional niche right there. So this is Cozy Co-author by the Viking King, Soren Jordanson, launched on May 1st. Go get your copy with the link below. My bonus today is literally this deep dive video. No one else is going to break down this money-making strategy with 15 plus years of making money online and doing this in so many different niches. I can call BS and call people's bluff on products, and you guys know that I do. I usually don't even put anything on this channel unless I really like the product. I'm really excited about this product, and I can highly, highly recommend this product. And so this particular, me basically being able to say, hey, this is a really good product, I would go and pick up minimum for front end offer for 17 bucks. That is the bonus in this one right here. Who knows if I can put together something over the weekend. I'm strapped for time right now. I've got to get out of the office. I've got some other things to do, but if I can get back to the office this weekend and do another video on one of the upgrades, and maybe I'll put together a unique, really cool bonus for you, then I'll give that bonus to anybody that actually purchases through my link. It'll actually be added to your Warrior Plus product when you check out and everything. So I'll think about trying to put together a bonus. But if you want to support these types of videos where I actually get access to the product, I do a full breakdown, and then I just basically give you the green light or the not. Every other marketer that I know, they're going to just tell you, go buy every product. I don't do that. And it actually hurts me as an affiliate sometimes, where I really want to get excited about a product. I get in and I'm just like, this is just not that great. And I'm honest, right? In this case, this one gets me excited about going and probably using my LLC to set up my new Amazon KDP account and actually trying to see if I can replicate what Jordan has done with what Soren has done with these 3 books. So super, super cool. Highly recommend you picking this up with the link below. Thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next video.